Hello everyone, this is Veronica with Bee's Crafty Corner. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to decorate the bag we made yesterday. So let's go ahead and do that. Find the front of your bag, and this is it right here. I went ahead and cut out some webs from my silhouette. However, there are die cut sets that have this type of cut, so you can use that too. I believe Lawn Fawn does. I'll link it in the description below. So I wasn't sure what to go with. I wanted to go with this holographic web and then put black underneath and then just put it in the corner like that. And then I wanted to do this white and black, put it there. And then I went ahead and thought of glittered cardstock. So I think I'm going to use glittered cardstock. Not sure if I'm going to go with the black or the gray or both. I could stack them. How does that look? Maybe I should stack them like this, or put the black on top. But I'm loving the glitter. I think it stands out a lot better. And I want to use the sticker spiders that I got at Michael's. I did a haul on these that I'll link below. Wanted to put that on the web, but I think the black kind of makes it fade out and the silver looks so much better. So I think I'm gonna go with just the silver. I used my Martha Stewart border punch, and I punched out a black border, and it is 6 inches long, and I want to use that for, here it is, for under the flap. I think it looks really good like that. And then with the spider and that border, then I decided to put some ribbon on the edge. I like this ribbon. It's a glittered black ribbon. I got at Michael's also, and I will link the haul in the description below. So let's go ahead and decorate. There is one last thing that I wanted to put on, and that was this rosette at the corner. I made that with black tulle, and I want to put this right on top of it along with the words boo. And then we'll have the spider right here. I think that looks pretty cute and very festive, Halloweenish. So let's go ahead and decorate that. I'm gonna move all my stuff out of the way. I'm using hot glue today. So I'm gonna cut this down just a bit. So I cut it down at the edge, and we're gonna stick it right under here with hot glue. So put a generous amount because glittered cardstock doesn't adhere very well with hot glue. If you have a liquid glue, it works best. Okay, so there that is. That's secure. Let's go ahead and put the web. I think that looks awesome, pretty nice. I'm also going to use hot glue, and I'm going to work really fast with this so it doesn't dry. And if you get those glue webs, that's fine. That'll go with the theme. And I did. I got those glue webs and I think they look awesome. Look at this. Do you see that? I like that. Okay, let's put the spider on. Love these spiders. There it is. Okay, let's put the ribbon on, right on the edge. Get your hot glue. Start off with a little bit and just work slowly. I'm loving the sparkle. And I was going to use this to give to my kids. Changed my mind. I think I'll give it to an adult. And cut the excess. Okay. Isn't that nice? Look how it's looking. Let me cut this part. There we are. Okay, let's put this on right there. I don't know if I should do the word boo or do glitter black and the purple bat, or matte black with the purple bat, matte black with the blue, with the blue. I meant to say with the boo. So there's that right there, boo. I think the boo looks nice by itself. And then maybe we could do a black bat on this side. Yeah, let's work with black. So let me go ahead and put a black bat right here. And I also did a haul on this one. And let's glue this tag. This is a Spellbinders die, and I just cut it out and I stamped the word boo and embossed it with white embossing powder. The stamp boo is from Mrs. Sparkle and Company from Joann's Fabric. So let's go ahead and put some glue down right here and glue this tag down. And it is hot, so I'm going to use my silicone flour to press down. There it is. And now we could glue it to the edge. I put a black matte circle and I punched it out with my Recollections punch. It is a 1" by 7/16. Okay, let's go ahead and glue this in. And here we are. Isn't that cute? Look how it turned out. I love it. Should we put a bat down here? think I want to. I'll do black again. There it is. Okay, I think this is it right here. What do you guys think? I believe it came out really nice. Let's get a close-up. Isn't it cute? I was thinking of running some hot glue back and forth just to make it look like spider webs. I'm gonna try it, see how it looks. Hopefully I don't mess up. So I'm gonna get some scrap sheet of paper. Move these out of the way. And here we go. Hopefully it works. Put the glue here. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna lay some glue and then bring it over. Lay some glue, bring it over, lay glue, bring it over, lay glue, bring it over, and keep doing it. Oops, did you see that? I messed up. I messed up, you guys. Look at that. I put lots of glue right there. What does it look like? I think the rest looks good. Looks like spider webs. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I like it. Should I? Oop, did I mess it up now? I think I messed it up. Okay, let's see if I can redeem myself. What can I put right here? I'm gonna go find something, put right there. Okay, so I seriously messed up. I peeled off the glue and it ripped the bag. Anyways, we're gonna fix this, and I have my glue pen. It's a Zig Memory System glue pen. And so I'm going to use this to glue this down. Okay, glued that down. Now I'm going to take that dye, the glitter black dye web, and I'm going to put it right here where I ripped the bag. Okay, there we are. Now I'm going to glue it down carefully. You know what? I'm going to use the pen instead. Just a little bit of glue. Okay, so we still have this, and I found this tag. It says Bugs Bite. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to glue that down and then tie it to the, I don't know if I should tie it to the strap or just put it in the hole, but it'll be glued down. It'll look like it's tied to the strap. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to turn the bag around. Okay, so that's glued. Now let's tie it to the strap. I'm going to tie a knot. Okay, there it is. Now let's cut it. Where's my scissors? There they are. That looks good. So we got this right there. That doesn't look that great. Let's see what I could put there. Maybe I could put a black leaf coming out from the back. Yeah, I'll do that. So this is a Martha Stewart punch. Got it at Michael's, and it's just a leaf. And I'm going to put it behind here so we could cover that piece that I ripped. You know, let me glue it with this. I don't trust hot glue anymore. So, glue that. Put this in. That doesn't look too bad, does it? I think it looks cute. So I redeemed myself once again. And let's do a close-up. There it is. The mess up right here doesn't look too bad. Let me use my Wink of Stella. So I'm using the Wink of Stella brush in clear, and I'm going to brush some of that on this bug. And then I'm going to brush some of that on that area that I messed up on, and I'll do it in between just to make it go together. How does that look? Nice and glittery. There, can't even tell. And there's the bag. Hope you guys liked this. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, you guys, goodbye.